Hey there, how you guys doing? So today we're graphing tangent. This is the tangent function I'd like to graph, but before we graph it, I want to make certain you remember what the parent graph looks like for tangent. Now here's the deal. One of the things to remember about tangent is it actually has a domain from negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. Okay? And those are the asymptotes. So that's one thing that we need to remember. So let me draw the graph. Oops. How about I scoot that over just a little bit because I'm going to need more space to my left. So we have negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. All right. And these are asymptotes. And you're like, how do you know those are asymptotes? Okay, so go back to your unit circle. Pi over 2 is up here, yes? Remember, it has the coordinates of 0, 1. Tangent is y over x. So what's 1 over 0? Yeah, that's undefined. And negative pi over 2 is down here because if you go in the clockwise direction, it has the coordinates of 0, negative 1, and y over x is undefined again. Okay, good? Are y'all with me? All right, now here is 0. And if we ask ourselves what the tangent of 0 is, well, 0 has the coordinates of 1, 0. So y over x, that would just be 0, wouldn't it? Doesn't do a whole lot for us because I have one dot in the middle of two asymptotes, and you're like, what am I supposed to do with that? So we go to the pi over 4. Because pi over 4 is that 45 degree, and tangent is opposite over adjacent, and that would just be 1 over 1, which would just be 1. And if I look at negative pi over 4, that's in this direction. I'm sorry, positive pi over 4 is quadrant 1, so positive over positive. Negative pi over 4 is over here in quadrant 4, and I've got a positive 1 and a negative 1. That'll give me negative 1. So when I connect the dots, let's see how well I can connect my dots, and if I need to move them, I'm going to move them. This is the parent graph. It almost looks like the x cubed graph. The 1 and negative 1 are not the range, but they're key points that help me identify the tangent graph, like where the turn starts happening, shall I say. And the range is negative infinity to positive infinity, so that never gets affected either. Are you with me? So let me kind of help you out with something here. What's the coefficient of tangent? 1. In sine and cosine, that would be your range. That would dictate the range from negative 1 to positive 1. On the tangent graph, that tells you your key y values that are going to get plotted. Okay, now let's go over here. I know what tangent's supposed to look like. I know the asymptotes for tangent. We're good. That's the parent graph. We get it. Over here, first thing we identify, just like we did sine and cosine, is amplitude. And amplitude is always positive. Now, here's the deal. The range on tangent is negative infinity to positive infinity. So this isn't telling me the range. It's telling me my key y values. Here, here, and here. So that's going to create that turn. Good? Okay. And then what do we ask? We ask if it flips, and will it? The answer is yes, because we have a negative here. So instead of going in this direction, we're going to flip it over, and it goes in that direction, the backwards. Good? Okay. So let's see what we have going on here. Now, there was no shifting, right? There was no phase or horizontal shift whatsoever, right? So when I plot this, I still have my asymptotes, negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2. These are still my asymptotes. Nothing's changed on that. 0. And nothing has changed on the length of one rotation, the period. So I'm still going to use pi over 4 and negative pi over 4 to help me identify this graph. Now, the key y values are negative 2 and positive 2. Negative 2 and positive 2. So negative 2 and positive 2. It's not the range, it's just the key y values. And some of you may already know what to do here, and that's great, but hold on. My handy dandy little chart. My x's that I'm plugging in would be negative pi over 2, negative pi over 4, 0, pi over 4, and pi over 2. The first thing you're doing is you're taking the tangent of them. Okay? So the tangent at negative pi over 2, yeah, that's undefined. That doesn't help. The tangent at negative pi over 4, well, that's negative 1. That's what we got over here. The tangent at 0, well, that was 0. The tangent at positive pi over 4 was quadrant 1. That was 1. And the tangent at pi over 2, well, that was undefined. So you can still create this chart with the tangent function, and it's extremely helpful also, as you can see. And these are the typical angles that I would be using for tangent. Sine and cosine, it was 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. For tangent, these are the typical angles I use to graph tangent. So as soon as I have these down, I know I'm taking the tangent next. Now this graph, or this equation, tells me to then multiply by negative 2. Well, this is still going to be undefined. Now a positive 2, still 0. Now a negative 2, still undefined. All right, and last but not least, the point. Well, this is a weird way of writing it, but negative pi over 2 and undefined, which is going to tell you an asymptote. And this one, negative pi over 4 and positive 2, 0 and 0. Pi over 4 and negative 2. And again, this one's kind of weird, but pi over 2 and undefined, which is going to tell you an asymptote. Sometimes it's kind of nice to write these two like that so you know an asymptote is supposed to be there, which is what we already have, because we got it from the parent graph. And nothing has changed in terms of the length of this intervals. Okay, here we go. Asymptote. Negative pi over 4 and a positive 2. 0, 0. Pi over 4 and a negative 2. And then undefined. And it is flipping like we said it should flip. Good? Does this make sense? I'm still using the attributes, the characteristics we got from sine and cosine, FYI. That's not changing. We're tweaking it a little bit though. Key values, not range. All right, I've got some examples coming your way. You work on them first, then go find my answer key video, and I'll catch you on the flip side.